And the snow keeps coming and the wind keeps blowing and Tessie's having fun. Keep watching to the end of this video. Find out what did I do that was so embarrassing but so much fun. I'm 10 years old again. Yippee! You know, snow can be beautiful and peaceful, but snow can also be dangerous. We were hearing our roof starting to creak and groan under the pressure of all the snow. So, about once a year, we have to do this in order to make sure that we're safe.
That is heavy, heavy, heavy snow.
Snow's pretty, but it can be dangerous.
That's real heavy. I believe that's the most weight I ever pushed off this roof.
No.
Yeah.
Why? Because it's heavier snow?
Well, it had a lot of rain in it.
Are you gonna be able to do it?
Yeah.
Why don't you do one side and then come back and do the other?
No, you're supposed to do it even.
No.
Yeah. Not one side. You gotta go even.
How long will it take you? How long will it take you?
Huh?
How long will it take you?
Hour.
Okay. All right. Well, everyone, it's a winter wonderland. There's something about the early morning after a huge snowstorm that puts your life in perspective. Everything is new and clear and crisp and clean. It's a blanket of beautiful. It's hard to walk because we have over a foot of snow. It's probably almost 2 feet of snow. But I wanted to come out here and show you my little homestead after a major snowstorm. One thing I love about snow is the beauty, the beautiful landscape. And the chickens are inside their house. They don't dare come out into the snow. And the garden is put to bed. Now I have to walk my way back up. It's an amazing exercise walking in the snow. And there's my potting shed, just waiting for the springtime. The sounds of the plows are the only sounds we hear this morning. My washing machines are sitting silent for a little bit. No washing clothes today. A perfect day to spend inside with my oil lamps.